If you dyed your hair recently and now it's breaking, thinning or feeling dry, this video might actually save your hair, because the truth is hair dye didn't damage your hair by accident. You're just missing this one thing. A lot of people dye their hair to look good, and yes, it looks amazing at first, but after a few weeks you start noticing breakage, dryness, split ends, and even your edges begin to suffer, and you're wondering what went wrong. Let me tell you this: it's not just the dye, it's what the dye does to your hair. Now, this is what happens when you dye your hair. The chemicals actually open up your hair strands, what we call the cuticle. Now, when that cuticle opens, your hair loses moisture very fast, the protein structure becomes weak, and your hair becomes fragile. So what you're seeing is not just breakage, your hair is literally crying out for repair. And these are some of the common mistakes. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. They dye their hair and then they don't moisture properly. They keep using harsh shampoos. They apply too much heat, and sometimes they just apply oil and expect miracles. Alright, but oil alone is not enough. If your hair is already damaged, oil alone cannot do the job. So we're going to give you a simple solution, clear step solutions to restoring it. So what should you do? Step one, restore moisture. Your hair needs water. Use a good leave-in conditioner and keep your hair hydrated. Alright, step two, strengthen your hair. You can use light protein treatments, but don't overdo it. Step three, seal and repair. This is where a good treatment oil becomes very important. You need something that will lock in moisture and help your hair recover from the inside out. Alright? And personally, I always recommend using herbal based treatments because they are gentle but very effective on damaged hair. When your hair is breaking, you don't need more chemicals, you need nourishment. Okay? Now, so if your hair is currently breaking after dyeing, don't ignore it. Start treating it the right way. Your hair can actually recover. You just have to give it what it needs. And if this helped you, make sure you subscribe to Dodo Natural Hair Gallery, where we restore confidence, beauty, and healthy hair strand by strand. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay blessed and have a wonderful day.